Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Fidelity. First, decide which type of account best suits your financial goals, whether it's a standard brokerage account, an IRA for retirement, or a 529 plan for education savings. Next, you'll need to provide some basic personal information, including your social security number and contact details. Finally, carefully review all the terms and conditions before electronically signing and submitting your application. This process is straightforward and typically takes only a few minutes to complete online. Once your Fidelity account is open, the next step is to fund it. You can easily link your existing bank account for quick electronic transfers, often available within 1 to 3 business days. Alternatively, you might choose to deposit funds through a wire transfer or by mailing a physical check. For those with existing retirement savings, consider rolling over an old 401(k) or IRA directly into your new Fidelity account for consolidated management. With funds in your account, it's time to explore investment options. Fidelity offers a vast selection, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Take advantage of their robust research tools and educational resources to help you make informed decisions that align with your risk tolerance and financial objectives. If you're unsure, Fidelity also provides access to financial advisors who can offer personalized guidance and portfolio management services. To ensure your investments continue to grow, regular monitoring is key. Keep an eye on your portfolio's performance and make adjustments as needed to stay on track with your financial goals. Periodically rebalance your investments to maintain your desired asset allocation and risk level. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Staying informed and proactive will help you achieve long-term financial success with Fidelity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.